And why is it that on all the central government schemes, there is never a CAG audit? When was the last time there was any audit done on any central government scheme? Can Sanju Verma answer that? That when Ayushman Bharat, there's such large scale scam, every day in the papers you will read that लोगों के जबरदस्ती हार्ट सर्जरी की जा रही है, लोगों के स्टेंट डाले जा रहे हैं, लोगों की जबरदस्ती कैटरेक्ट सर्जरी की जा रही है, सब कुछ आयुष्मान भारत स्कैम में हो रहा है. But why there is no CAG audit? When will Bharatiya Janata Party do a CAG audit of their own flagship schemes? The reality is that when there was a CAG report on the Ayushman Bharat scam and on the Dwarka Expressway scam, you know what they did? They transferred those officials who wrote that CAG report. ये सच्चाई है भारतीय जनता पार्टी की. The CAG report in question is the CAG report on the liquor policy. Nowhere in the CAG report, I don't know if you've read it, nowhere in the CAG report is there any evidence. Nowhere it says that there was any scam. There is a difference. In the Dwarka Expressway project, it was a CAG report which said very clearly that there was a cost escalation of some 300%. 1 kilometer of Dwarka Expressway was built for 250 crores. So you spent 750 crores in 3 kilometers of Dwarka Expressway. So there's a very big difference. Whereas the CAG report on the liquor policy of Delhi says that the new policy was very good, and I'm quoting here, it increased transparency, it curbed black market, and it boosted revenue. All of this is written in the CAG report. The CAG report goes on to say that the revenue increased from 4,108 crores to 8,911 crores. I'm quoting all of these figures. So Bharatiya Janata Party can keep saying CAG report, CAG report, CAG report, but nowhere in the CAG report there was any mention of any liquor scam, any wrongdoing, because there was no scam, there was no wrongdoing. छत पे खड़े होकर चिल्लाने से स्कैम नहीं होता है, स्कैम प्रूव करना पड़ेगा. संजू वर्मा ने प्रूव नहीं कर पाया कि स्कैम कहां पे है, और इसीलिए they have removed our MLAs from the assembly because they don't know how to face our MLAs inside the assembly. Everywhere in the country they're following the same line that you just throw opposition out, whether it's the parliament or it's the state assemblies, because चिल्लाने से कुछ नहीं होता है. डेटा रखना पड़ेगा, हार्ड फैक्ट्स रखने पड़ेंगे. आप मुझे दिखाइए इस कैग रिपोर्ट में कौन से पेज पर लिखा हुआ है कि कोई लिकर स्कैम नहीं हुआ था. On the other hand, the CAG report is praising the Arvind Kejriwal policy of liquor in Delhi.